Today, we're tackling one of the most common headaches for Windows users, fixing OneDrive sync errors. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have not just a handful of quick fixes, but also a deeper understanding of why sync errors happen, and you'll be fully equipped to get those cloud files moving again. Let's dive right in. First, let's try the quick fixes which solve most sync glitches. Think of OneDrive like a reliable delivery truck. Sometimes it just needs a little push to get going again. Step 1. Restart OneDrive. To do this, right-click the OneDrive icon down in your taskbar. It's that little cloud near your clock. Choose Close OneDrive. This tells OneDrive to pause everything cleanly. Give it a moment, then launch OneDrive again from your Start menu. Restarting OneDrive is often a magic reset, clearing out tiny hiccups or stuck processes that may have been causing the error in the first place. If that didn't do the trick, moving on to pausing and resuming is a smart next step. Once again, right-click the cloud icon and find the Pause Syncing option. You can pause syncing for, say, a couple of hours. Why bother with this? Pausing puts things on hold. It can help if OneDrive is trying to handle too many changes at once or if you're on a spotty internet connection. After you've given it a brief rest, go back and choose Resume Syncing. This action tells OneDrive to check for changes and often reboots its effort to sync. It's also important to check your storage and file details. You want to make sure you have enough space both on OneDrive Online and your local PC. A full hard drive can quietly cause endless sync errors. The same goes if your OneDrive storage is packed. Also, glance at your file names. If you see a file with an exceptionally long name or a file path that's way over 400 characters, OneDrive might refuse to sync it. Shorten those file names or move deeply nested files closer to your main OneDrive folder. Think of it as simplifying directions for that delivery truck: shorter routes, fewer obstacles. Next, let's update everything. Outdated software can be sneaky troublemakers. Head to Windows Update and make sure you're fully updated. While you're at it, check for any available updates for the OneDrive app itself. An update may fix bugs and give OneDrive the latest powers to handle your files correctly. Okay, if none of those worked, let's dig a little deeper. A common fix is to unlink and relink your account. This step refreshes your OneDrive connection to Microsoft, kind of like repairing your phone with your car, Bluetooth. Right-click the OneDrive icon, go to Settings, select the Account tab, then click Unlink this PC. You'll be prompted to sign back into your Microsoft account and reconnect OneDrive. Give it a few minutes. Sometimes this simple handshake solves hidden credential issues. Still having trouble? Try moving a problem file out of your OneDrive folder. Just drag it to your desktop. Now restart OneDrive just like earlier and then move the file back in. This forces OneDrive to re-examine the file and often nudges the sync process along. For more clues, OneDrive has a built-in troubleshooter. Right-click the icon and select Help and Settings, then View Sync Problems. Here you'll see exactly which files are causing issues and sometimes even a direct explanation or recommended fix. Pay attention to the error messages. They often point straight to the issue, whether it's forbidden characters, access issues, or something else. If you're still not sure what's wrong, Microsoft offers a handy tool called the Support and Recovery Assistant. It's designed to diagnose and fix sync problems automatically. Just download it from Microsoft's website, run the tool, and follow the step-by-step instructions. It can feel like having a tech-savvy friend look over your shoulder. And finally, if all else fails, you might need to reinstall OneDrive. Uninstall the app from your PC, restart your computer to clear out any remnants, then go to the official Microsoft site to download and install the latest version. Fresh installs are often the cure for strange, stubborn issues. And with that, your OneDrive should be syncing smoothly again. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, and if you have any questions or get stuck, drop a comment. I read them and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, friendly tech tutorials just like this one. Happy syncing!